In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Hostinger hosting package expiry date. Knowing exactly when your hosting plan ends helps you avoid downtime, surprise renewals, and service interruptions. Let's walk through it together, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to Hostinger's website. You can use any region version of the site. They all lead to the same account area. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click My Account. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log in. After signing in, make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple Hostinger profiles. From your account dashboard, head to the billing section. Depending on your screen size, billing may appear in the top navigation or in a left-hand menu. This is where Hostinger keeps all your charges, subscriptions, and invoices. Inside billing, click Payment History. This page lists every invoice associated with your account, hosting packages, domains, add-ons, everything. If you have a lot of purchases, you can sort by date or scan the descriptions to find the hosting plan you want to check. Look for the line that clearly references your hosting package rather than a domain registration. Next, select an invoice that corresponds to your hosting plan. You don't need to open a PDF yet, just focus on the entry in the list. On that line, you'll see a small arrow or chevron icon. Click the arrow to expand the invoice details. On mobile, the arrow might look like a caret or a plus sign. Tap that to reveal more information. With the invoice expanded, you'll see the service details. Look for a field, say labeled period, service period, or something similar. It will show a start date and an end date. The end date is effectively your hosting package's current expiry for that billing cycle. Sometimes Hostinger may also display phrases like valid until or next payment date. Treat these as your renewal or expiry point for the plan. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you manage multiple hosting packages, repeat the same process for each one because every service can have a different period. If you prefer hands-off renewals, you can enable auto-renew in the billing area so your hosting doesn't lapse. It's also smart to add a calendar reminder a few days before the end date in case you want to upgrade, downgrade, or cancel on time. And remember, domain names have their own renewal dates, separate from hosting, so check those invoices as well. That's it. Simple, accurate, and reliable. Now you know exactly where to find your Hostinger hosting package expiry date whenever you need it.